Hi everyone, in this video, we will go over the maintenance for the AA Prestige direct-to-film printer. First, with your daily maintenance. Every morning, the first thing you should do is check the white inks. Pull out the white ink container and give it a gentle shake. Next, check all the areas where your ink lines are visible for any pinches in the line that could restrict ink flow or for any bubbles that may have entered the line. If you see bubbles, you will need to use the syringe to pull from the dampers the same way you had performed the ink charge when you first set up your printer. Now jump onto your computer and perform a nozzle check. In the software, go to File and click on Nozzle Check. Make sure a film is inserted into the printer. We recommend using a transparency that you can wipe off over and over again so you don't waste any of your film. Once the print is complete, take a look at the nozzle check. You are looking for any breakages in these lines. If there are no breakages, you may proceed to printing. If you do see breakages, you will need to perform a head cleaning. Head back into the software and go to File, then Head Cleaning. Next, press the middle button to first release the printer carriage. The print carriage will move back and forth a few times until it settles. Once settled, carefully pull the carriage away from the capping station. This will reveal the areas that you will need to clean. First, we'll clean the wiper blade. Find this little notch and pull it gently to bring the wiper into view. You can also pull this entire unit to the side by pushing this to the right. This will make pulling the wiper blade into view easier. Now using a cleaning swab and the Neotech cleaning solution, clean any ink buildup on and around the wiper blade. Once complete, reverse the previous motion to place the wiper blade back to its original position. Then gently pull the printer carriage back into place. On a weekly basis, take a lint-free cloth and some cleaning solution and wipe down the encoder strip as shown. Lastly, for your as-needed maintenance, periodically make sure to check and empty the waste tank in the back. Next, when you are experiencing heavier than usual clogging, head back into the capping station, take the syringe and pull in some of your Neotech cleaning solution, and fill up the capping station so that the print head has a chance to soak within the solution. Once the print head has had time to soak, perform a head cleaning, then a nozzle check to make sure all channels are firing properly. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.